All right, so I'm gonna create the top back of curb for this interior, what I'm calling the interior curb line, which is in here. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm just gonna use the offset command. So I'm gonna go to CAD and I'm going to click on offset. And again, we're just gonna call this curb 1-1A dash top back of curb. I've already got the line string selected and I'm going to use the offset distance. Now I want to point out that what you can do is you can come in here and I can see here's the top back of curb of the 1B. So I'm just going to left click on that and you'll see that it applies that distance automatically. Now I'm going to offset it a vertical 0.5 for the top back and I'm just going to click apply. And now I've got the top back for that one. Do the same thing down here. I'm going to come and pick this line. And I want to make sure I'm going to the right, so I'm going to pick here and then pick here for the inside. It is the right, and I'm going to apply and get the top back of curb for that one. Same thing down here. I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick and this side. This one's actually the left, so I'm going to apply that one. So now I've got the top back curb for the rest of this interior curb line.